we continue with the revision of the paper we have. Revision for Form 1 Chemistry. Let us revise together. So here it is. You at number? You at number 3? Yes. Read number 3 now.
The diagram below shows the relationship between physical state of matter. Study it and answer the questions that follow.
Okay. Let us see what is there. Yes, ndio hiyo. I told you to write this. Sasa ndio hiyo imekuja.
Yeah.
Yes.
Unaweza zoom in kidogo, haiko clear.
Struggle. Sidhani kama anaweza zoom. Jaribu kuona. Because I'm presenting what I have. So you should also, hata yangu huku ni kidogo, you should also see. Because I'm presenting everything. There is, okay, there is solid, there is liquid, there is gas.
Liquid, there's gas.
There are symbols there. Aya, sawa.
So from solid to liquid ni melting. Liquid to gas, evaporation.
Yes.
Gas to liquid, condensation.
Yes.
Liquid to solid, freezing.
Yes.
Solid to gas, sublimation.
Correct.
Then gas to solid, deposition.
Very good. Very good. Sawa. Nilikwambia uandike hiyo, again it is common, ndio hiyo sasa umeiona 4 marks. Very correct. Part B.
Yeah.
Part B.
Part B. Name 3 substances which can undergo under the process S and T.
S and T. Yes. So yes, you know, a substance that
acid.
can, so that is sublimation, sindio?
Yes.
And the deposition. So a substance that can undergo sublimation, it can undergo deposition.
Yes.
Yes. Those are
benzoic acid.
Benzoic acid.
Solid carbon 4 oxide.
Correct.
Anhydrous calcium chloride.
Correct.
Anhydrous iron 3 oxide.
Ile ingine si anhydrous, yes. Aluminium. And aluminium
chloride. Hiyo nimeshasema.
Aluminium. Is there any other? Yeah, hujasema hiyo aluminium chloride. And anhydrous iron 3 oxide. Okay. Part 4. Number 4, that is.
Number 4. The table below shows liquids that are miscible and those that are immiscible.
Yes.
Nisomea liquid 1, liquid 2.
Read the question.
Use the information given to answer the questions that follow.
Yes.
Name the method that can be used to separate L1 and L3 from a mixture of the two.
Good. L1 and L2.
And L3.
L1 and L3. L1 and L3.
Fractional distillation.
Because the two are miscible, eh?
Yeah.
Fractional distillation. They need only one method. Correct. Next. Read.
Draw and name an apparatus that can be used. Draw and name an apparatus that can be used to separate a mixture of L2 and L4.
Yes. So just name, huh? Which method? Okay, which method? Which method?
L4.
L2 and
Use
L4. L2 and
separating.
L4.
No.
They are immiscible.
Dropper.
Use of a dropper.
Use of a use of
Use of a dropper.
separating funnel.
Separating funnel. Yes.
Kuna nyingine?
There are so many. Ama ni hizo. You can also decant. You can decant oil mainly with water. Yeah. But you cannot filtrate. You can decant. Aya, sawa sawa. Aya, number 5.
Give 2 reasons why most laboratory apparatus are made of glass.
Repetition. Hatutarudia hiyo. Number 6.
Name 3 sources of heat beside Bunsen burner in the laboratory.
Yes.
There's a candle. A spirit. Something. Spirit.
Burner.
Yeah. It's correct.
Yeah. There is a spirit burner, something like that. And there is
there's this one, portable burner.
Yeah, portable burner.
Yeah.
And portable burner, by the way, is also common. Beside Bunsen burner, in most cases we use portable burner. See what unaziona kwa lab?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, those ones that are portable, you can carry. Okay. Number 4, you need to draw. So that one you will draw as an assignment. Number 7, I will send this in the study material, but you do number 7 as a assignment. Sawa. And also number 4, part what? Number 4, part B, draw and name. Number 4, part B, draw and name. So number 4, part B, and number 7A, those will be part of your assignment. Yeah, I will send this under the study material. Utaangalia hapo. Okay, na part C. There is no part B, so part C. Part C, read.
State 2 reasons why an unluminous flame is preferred for heating.
Yes. It's preferred for heating over the luminous. Yes.
Non-luminous flame produces much heat than light.
No, start with talk about the non-luminous, then luminous, because we are talking about preferring non-luminous to the luminous. So non-luminous is what? Non-luminous is what?
I'm not understanding your point.
You are not?
Understanding how you are framing the.
Oh, sorry. I'm saying, since the question in a solid same state 2 reasons why a non-luminous flame is preferred for heating. So I have said, use when answering, talk about the non-luminous, then luminous. Kwa sababu we prefer non-luminous. We prefer non-luminous. Yes. Yes.
Non-luminous flame produces much heat.
Yes.
Then luminous flame.
Then.
Than luminous flame.
Yes.
Which number produces 2. Lights.
Hata wachana mambo light. Wachana mambo ya light. Non-luminous flame produces much heat than luminous flame. Point number 1, complete. Point number 2, or reason number 2.
Non-luminous flame consists of hydrocarbons.
So
Uh, tell me, for.
non-luminous flame does not produce soot.
Check that's your point also.
Yeah, because it is preferred for heating, because when you use luminous one, you are going to mess the glasses. The soot will be all over. Yeah, it's a point. Sawa.
Yes.
Part D.
After use, an unluminous flame should be put off or adjusted to a luminous flame. Explain.
Yes, explain.
An unluminous flame should be adjusted to a luminous flame because it is not visible, so it can cause accidents.
Very good.
Yeah.
So, number 8.
Name 3 apparatus that are used to measure accurate volumes of liquid.
So the term to be stressed there is accurate. Accurate.
Yes.
Accurate. One.
Measuring cylinder.
Yes.
Beaker.
Beaker. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Beaker is not there. Accurate. Beaker is not there. Beaker is used to measure volume, but is not used to measure volume accurately. Are you getting the difference?
Yes.
Beaker is used to measure volume, yes, but is not used to measure accurate volume.
Syringe.
Syringe, yes.
Pipette.
Yes. Burette.
Yeah, burette.
And volumetric flask. Okay.
Yes.
Here, what you are supposed to note, yes, you are supposed to look at the apparatus with the narrow neck. Shingo yao ikuwe ni narrow. Kwa sababu hiyo ndio itakupatia accurate volume. They should have narrow neck. Sawa? Yes, but measuring cylinder ukiangalia diameter yake pale ni kubwa. So it is not going to give you accurate volume. Though it is used to measure volume. Number next. Number next.
Distinguish between an element and a compound and give an example of each.
Very good question.
An element
and not necessarily definition. You can define, yes, but not necessarily definition. You distinguish any difference. Any difference. Si lazima udefine, though you can define if you want. Yes.
Can we say that elements are made of one?
It's a pure substance, so it's made up of one. It's one substance. It's a pure substance. Yes. While a
compound is made up of two
or more.
Two or more substances.
Yes. Unaona hiyo iko sawa. Yes. So element is a pure substance. Kwa hivyo ni kitu moja. But compound is impure. Two or more substance chemically combined. Sawa. Any other substance? Any other difference?
What if you say that elements are made up of atoms,
while compounds
are made up of
elements?
Yeah.
Sawa. It's okay. Okay. That one.
Yeah.
That one.
Mm.
Okay, sawa. Hizo zingine utaangalia. Aya, number 10. Number 10 also will be part of your what? Assignment.
Yeah.
Mark that, number 10. Aya,
Yes.
number 11.
Number 11. Name the method you will use to separate the following mixtures.
Yes.
Sand and ammonium chloride.
Mm.
By dissolving.
Then after dissolving. Then after dissolving.
Yeah.
After dissolving.
Use decant. No. You
Dissolving and what? And filtration.
yes.
Sawa.
Mm.
Yes. Dissolving and filtration, because ammonium chloride is soluble in water. Aya,
Yes.
B,
Oil
and
and
water.
water
Yes.
by use of a dropper.
Use of a dropper. Or
Use of separating. No. Use of the
separating funnel. Yes.
yeah,
Separating
separating
funnel is
funnel.
one of them. Also, we can talk about decantation. Aya. Though among the three, use of separating funnel is the best. Sawa.
Mm.
Yes, is the best. You can use a dropper. You can use decantation. You can also use separating funnel. But among the three, the use of separating funnel is the best. Yeah. But
Yes.
C,
Kerosene and crude oil through
yes,
through simple fractional distillation.
fractional distillation. Sawa. D,
Yes. Through evaporation.
D, evaporation. Describe how you will separate a mixture of
Separate
salt.
a mixture of salt,
Yes.
sand, and iodine.
Yeah. Yes. Here you are
Okay.
supposed to describe. Describe. Yes.
Yeah. First, you
This.
dissolve the salt in water.
Here, what we have now is a mixture
The
of sand.
mixture. Yes. Yes.
Yes, so you add water, add
Yes.
water
Add
to the
water to
mixture.
the mixture. Yeah.
Yes,
So that the salt will dissolve
salt will dissolve. Yes.
and will remain with sand and iodine.
Hmm. So what will
So
you do?
the sand and iodine obtained
Mm.
uh
Salt and iodine will dissolve.
no,
Mm.
the salt, sand and iodine obtained
Obtain. So it means will dissolve. Itakuwa ndani ya maji ama itakuwa kando.
itakuwa kando, itakuwa
Okay.
kwenye
Uh-huh.
another beaker.
Okay.
eh, then
So
you'll
how
heat
will you?
the
Hello.
yes.
How will you separate? How will you obtain? There is something that is missing. You have said add water to the mixture.
To the mixture.
Salt
Yes.
will dissolve. Sand and
Yes.
iodine will remain as a residue.
Yes.
Will be insoluble. So what will you do to separate?
Yes. You'll
What
put
will you do to
you'll
filtration?
filter. Yes, filter.
Yes. Unaacha hiyo. Haya, filter to obtain, to remain with sand
Sand
and iodine.
with sand and iodine. Yes.
Sawa. Continue.
Heat the mixture of sand and iodine of which iodine will turn into purple vapor to remain in sand.
So we will sublime, huh?
Yes, iodine will
This
sublime.
question, sawa. This question of description, Nivo may describe, but it is supposed to be procedural. When you miss a step, examiner will stop marking from that point. So you must be very careful. It is supposed to be procedural. Usiache hata step moja, sawa?
Yes.
Okay. Number 13.
Say the functions of the following apparatus as used in the laboratory. It is used, especially is used to when.
Not when. Is used to do what? Is used to do what? To scoop.
Yes, to scoop.
Ni kama kuchota. To scoop solid.
Yes.
Yeah, to scoop. Si ndio huwa inatumika kuchukua solid kama metals hivi ndani ya container.
Yes.
Haya, pipe clay triangle.
Used to support the crucibles during heating.
Correct. Pipe clay, wire gauze.
Used to distribute heat evenly when heating.
Sawa. When heating beakers and flasks. Sawa. Haya, number 13B, again assignment. 13B assignment. Sawa, 13B.
Yeah.
Okay, 14, read. Wachana 14.
Said
Number
the
15.
Define the following terms.
Yes.
Solvent extraction.
Solvent is a method. This is a method, huh?
Yeah, of extracting oils from a substance.
From nuts.
Yes, from nuts.
From nuts, Leo.
Yeah. Sir.
From nuts. Yes.
Solvent extraction is only used in nuts.
Yeah, that's a method. Yeah. In nuts. Like donuts, cashew nuts, coconuts.
So I'm asking, propanol is only used in nuts.
Propanol is a solvent.
Yeah.
That is used in solvent extraction to obtain oil from nuts.
Yes.
You know, some nuts contain, nuts contain oil.
Contain oil, yeah.
Yes. So the process of obtaining or extracting oil from nuts is called solvent extraction and is a method of separation. Sawa. Hello.
Yes.
Ni sawa? Okay. Next.
Hydrated salt.
Hydrated salt. Which kind of salt is this? I think it's a Form 2 question. Have you learned this?
No.
These are salts that contain water of crystallization. I think you have learned. Have you learned
you have learned
to do
crystallization?
I think sasa hapo kwa crystallization you are supposed to learn hydrated salt, although it is more in Form 2. So this is simply a salt. It's simply a salt with water of crystallization. Sawa.
Yes.
For example, sodium chloride. Ile chumvi ya nyumbani tunatumia. You find that now sodium chloride inside the particles, we have water inside. Sio nje, si tunaweza kausha. Inside the structure we have water. Sawa.
Yes.
Yes, that is what is called water of crystallization, and the salt, such kind of salt is said to be hydrated. Yako na maji ndani ya particles. Saturated solution.
When a solid cannot dissolve at a given temperature.
Oh, hiyo najua sawa.
Yeah.
Number 16, fume cupboard.
Functions of a fume cupboard as found in a chemistry laboratory.
Yes.
When during gas experiments,
What's wrong with gas experiments?
when the gas is not safe for the environment, like
it will be used, huh?
Yeah.
Next, another one. Yes. Hiyo utaenda utafute. Yeah?
Yes.
Part of the assignment. 17.
Explain the differences between solid and gaseous states using the theoretical model of matter in terms of kinetic theory.
Yes.
Solid state, the particles are closely packed, while the gaseous state, the particles are spread.
Sorry?
The solid state, the particles are closely packed together.
Yes. Yes.
While in the gaseous state, the particles are widely spread. They're not packed together.
Okay. Assignment. Assignment imeona hata ni nyingi leo. Number 17 assignment, because you are supposed to use a model, theoretical model. You draw those particles,
Yes.
and I believe you know what I'm saying.
Yes.
Yes. Then you say what you are saying. You draw, then you state what you are trying to say. Number 18. Number 17, your assignment. Number 18.
The diagram below represents a paper chromatogram for 3 brands of juices suspected to contain banned food colorings.
Yes.
The next.
Tutaona kweli. This one we cannot see.
Yes. The results showed.
Wait a minute. You at number?
Number 18. The next.
Yes. The results showed the presence of
banned food colorings in L and M only.
Yes.
On the same diagram, circle the spots which show the banned food colorings.
Okay. Although it is very small, but I say you just look at the one that corresponds. It's very small. Very small. Bunch. Hiyo haiwezi kutusaidia. But it's very small, very small. L and M. This one cannot help her. But what you're supposed to note here, yeah? Hello?
Yes.
You look at the spots that travel the same distance.
Yeah.
That's the concept to use here. Unakumbuka? And you remember?
Yes.
Yes. So here is because idea. We're going to look at another question of the same. Show the solvent front is about the same factors. Factors to resolve by using the solubility and the what?
Solubility and adsorption.
And absorption and density.
Yes.
Number 19.
Classify the following processes as either chemical or physical process type of change.
Yes. Heating copper 2 sulfate crystals.
Chemical.
Which type of chemical? Chemical ni nyingi. Chemical gani? Is it temporary or
Temporary.
permanent chemical? Yes. Is it chemical or temporary? Is it temporary or permanent chemical change?
Temporary.
It's temporary. Yeah, it's temporary. Unaona kama hujui, it is temporary because when you heat, maji yatatoka. And when you add water,
Yes.
hii ni ile test for water. Hii ni ile test for water, chemical test. You
Test
add water,
for
you turn the
water,
color. Yeah. Part B. Part B.
Obtaining kerosene from crude oil. Physical.
Is it permanent?
Permanent physical change.
Permanent physical change. Sawa. Swallowing of milk. Swallowing
Permanent
of milk.
physical change.
Huh? This is a chemical change. This is a chemical and also permanent. Where's the rudisha normal?
Chemical permanent change.
Permanent chemical change, huh?
Chemical change, yeah.
Number 20.
The figure below shows a heating curve of a certain pure solid.
And you see, inaonekana kidogo A, B, C, D, and E. And E. So wacha tuone swali. What is happening at the stages
What is happening
BC?
at the stages B, C, and CD?
Yes. BC ni hapa.
BC.
And D and CD.
The temperature remains constant.
Yes.
Until the solid melts. The heat absorbed is used to weaken the forces of attraction.
Yes.
Holding the solid particles together.
Yes. Okay. I have CD. CD.
CD, the temperature increases steadily. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
As the liquid absorbs the energy.
Yes. Absorb the energy.
So the heat supplied increases the kinetic theory of the particles, causing them to move fast.
And pass. After moving fast, what will happen? They will move far apart. Yes. Sawa. On the diagram, draw a heating curve of impure substance. Assignment. Number 20B. Number 20B. Assignment. Number 20B. Assignment.
Yes.
Yes. And again, because now this question inataka to compare, we do a comparison between pure substance and impure. So make sure you draw the pure one, then you draw for the impure, right?
Okay.
Yes. 21.
Common table salt is contaminated with copper 2 oxide. Explain how pure sodium chloride can be obtained from the mixture.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
uh,
Hello.
yeah.
Any idea?
Hmm?
Any idea? I'm waiting for the answer.
No.
So
Uh,
solubility. Yes.
I'll try.
Yeah. Try.
Okay, then. Mm, wow.
No idea. Can you remember the
Yeah.
solubility of copper 2 oxide? Is copper 2 oxide soluble or insoluble in water?
Insoluble. Soluble.
Yes. So where insoluble.
Insoluble.
Yes. Page 81 of
Yeah.
book 1 KLB is talking about
Mm.
burning copper in air, then adding the product in water. You find that it is insoluble. Sawa. So we say add water to the mixture. Add water to the mixture. Copper sodium chloride will dissolve, while copper
Mm.
2 oxide will not dissolve. Copper 2 oxide will not dissolve. Sawa.
Mm.
Filter to obtain
Mm.
um,
Yeah.
copper 2 oxide as a residue and sodium chloride as a what? As a
Mm.
filtrate. Then evaporate to obtain sodium chloride. To obtain sodium chloride. Sawa.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 22.
The table below gives information on some substances. Use it to answer the questions that follow.
Huh.
Uh,
Okay, read the question. You can see, yes, read the question. We have the melting point, we have boiling point, and solubility in water. Yes, A.
which substance has the lowest melting point?
Yes.
Substance C.
Substance C. Oh, yeah, good. Good. Next. Highest boiling point.
Highest boiling point. Mm.
Ningapi. Highest boiling point.
B. No, no, wait. Highest boiling point. A.
Yes. A. Okay. Part B. Part B.
Which letters represent a substance that is a gas at a room temperature?
Yes. Gas at a room temperature. Yes. Letter what and what?
Letter. Uh,
Letter.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Gases. Gases. The melting and boiling point of gases are below zero.
Is 0. Yeah.
The, the melting and boiling points of gases are below zero. So which letters?
C and D.
Sawa sawa. Good. Next. Soma C.
Which is a liquid at room temperature when mixed with water, two layers will be formed.
Which is a liquid at room temperature? Which is a liquid at room temperature and when mixed with water, two layers are formed.
Yeah.
It's a liquid. Nasemaje? It's a liquid. Wacha tuangalie kwanza, is a liquid at room temperature. Wacha tuangalie, is a liquid at room temperature. These two we have said at room temperature because these are at room temperatures. So C and D, they are gases at room temperature. They are gases. So we are remaining with A and B.
A and B.
A and B. A and B, they are melting. They are negatives. Boiling. They are liquid. This A and B are liquid. A and B are liquid. But they are saying when mixed with water, two layers are formed. What does that mean? They are immiscible. Sindio?
Yes.
Sindio, hii hapa wanasema solubility in water. So it is supposed to be
Yes.
B. Can you see this? Can you see insoluble?
Yes.
So the answer is
B. Substance
B.
B.
Yes. Yeah, it is a liquid. It has 77 at room temperature. 77 degrees Celsius is liquid, but solubility in water, it is soluble. So we are going to form two layers. We're going to form two layers. Next.
Which substance dissolves in water and could be separated from the solution by fractional distillation?
Yes. The answer is
C.
Wachana C and D. C and D are gases. So we have B and A. Look at their solubility. Can you tell me?
A.
Very good. Because the A is very soluble in water. Sawa.
Yes.
So it is going to form a miscible liquid or mixture. Higher. Give the symbols. Sodium.
Give the symbols of the following elements. Sodium K.
Sodium K.
Na.
Na, capital N, small a. Calcium.
Yes.
Calcium. Sasa hapa ndio chemistry iko sasa. You must know all this because now in form 2 tutakuwa tunaandika in form of symbols.
Yeah.
Yes, in symbols. So calcium. Sasa utarudi sasa kusoma hizi. Hii ni Ca, sawa? Capital C.
Yeah.
Capital C, small a, sawa?
Yes.
Potassium.
K.
Potassium K. Capital. Aya, next.
Name the elements present in the following compound: zinc sulfide.
Yes.
Zinc plus sulfur.
Zinc.
Plus zinc. Zinc.
Sawa, zinc
and sulfur.
Aya, next.
Sodium plus oxygen.
Sodium.
And
Sodium
and oxygen.
and oxygen. Ulikuwa unasema plus. Were you saying plus somewhere?
And
Don't use the term plus. Ndio maana narudia, nilikuwa nasikia
yeah.
kama unasema it's like you are saying plus.
Uh,
Sawa, use the term and. Sawa.
mm,
Any question?
it's fine.
You're okay?
Yes.
Okay, so you have saying